Hello once again, audience. 'Tis I, Tobrusader, the Crusader, with his blue trusty dog, Bluesader. That's an awesome freaking name. I just flipped right out of there. Okay, so salvage is a thing I have not used. You break items down into their crafting materials, and yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, get out of here. Yeah, give me that essence. Give me some of that essence. Give me all of that, girl. Oh no, it's my essence. Not anymore. Give me some of that essence. Oh, okay. I don't want that stupid essence anyway. Excuse me? You take it back. It's stupid. The essence is stupid. Shut your mouth. Dude, you guys need to calm down. I'm gonna domestic dispute file. Oh. Aw, I can't salvage items from vendors. That's just weird. Why not? That's weird, dude. Well then, thanks for nothing. Apprentice broad axe, rusty flail. Yeah. Crafted for forfeit. I don't understand. Why would I do that? 2 minute. Oh, that's not good enough, to be honest. That's not good enough at all. That's good enough. Minus freaking 3 armor? Yeah, I'm gonna make that. That's awesome. Give me awesome clothing, please. Oh my lord, 10 strength. Oh. I am awesome now. Everyone bow to me. I am awesome now. Ooh, what do you want me to do? Oh, train the blacksmith. New recipes. I'm going to be a Martha Stewart of the blacksmith kitchen. I don't understand what just happened. What am I doing? Holy... I just freaking spent a lot of money on that, did I not? Let's take... Ooh! Oh, I freaking should not have wasted... I'm such a fool. I'm such a fool. I'm a coward. Oh, this is awesome. Give me those pants. Give me those pants. Ooh. Let's train a bit more, shall we? Why not? Why not? All my money's gone now. Freaking all my money's completely gone. Whatever. I don't care. What am I going to do with that money anyway? Alright, dude, let's freaking go, huh? Let's get out of here. Alright. Oops, I pushed escape and panicked. Okay, hold on. Time for me to sell this rare sword to you.
I'm sorry, but no.
You want to repair it, but I just want to sell. Shut your horse face. Alright, so I'm gonna freaking uncraft this magic. I'm gonna turn it back into its component. Carbon pots. Beautiful, beautiful times. Oh, we are in beautiful times right now. Talk to me. Your adopted niece. I'm out of here, Deckard. You took way too long. Okay, let's get back, huh? Let's go back in the game, shall we? Let's do some game stuff now. Okay, waypoint can go to the... Oh, the Forsaken. Symmetry of the Forsaken.
When King Leorid came to court, he brought many nobles with him, and nobles, hardly enough, want noble crips. So I showed up with my shovel, thinking to make easy profit by digging a few holes.
It's a good idea.
There's no stopping the millions around here. Now, eat, sleep, and breathe dirt, it seems.
I don't even think I know what you said a moment ago. I put a helmet on. I feel so nice now. Nuts, it's nuts. Loopy, I feel loopy. Never had a helmet before. Oh man, I've always wanted a helmet though. This is nice. That voice is terrible. That was a terrible voice. trying to do my best to sound like that guy did. It's all I can do, it's my best. You know, can't do better than my best. It's not rightly possible, really. Ah, sucker! I look awesome. Look at me. Look at how awesome I look. Look at me! I look awesome. I look awesome. I look awesome. Everybody look at me. Don't touch me. Of course you want to. Look at how awesome I look. Why wouldn't you want to touch? I'm like a flannel jacket. Uh-oh, I'm boned. I'm boned like a jacket. Jacket bone. Please don't kill me, please. I have friends. I owe them money. Please don't. Please don't kill me. Please. Think about this. You don't have a brain in there, do you, you idiot? Oh, I'm freaking so dead right now. I'm so dead. Ah! No! Son of a... Ah! Give me the hell, give me the hell! Yoo-hoo! Yeah, Zago. I don't know which one's which, dude. Is this the one? He shoots out lightning bolts. That's probably him. Yeah, you're screwed, buddy. Drury Lane, baby. Yeah. Ownership complete. Ooh. All skills cooled down faster. Oh, it is of the bear. Bears totally cool down fast. Give a bear freaking some of your lunch and they will make that last a while, dude. They'll save it and hibernate. Wake up and eat it and freaking put it in their bear fridge. Ha ha ha! You silly little worm-packed Tootsie Roll. I wish I was that cute. Like a big poofy marshmallow man. Ooh, slugs everywhere on my belly. That sounds fun. Alright. Alright, Blue Satyr. You've been a very good pooch. But now we're all going to die! Oh no! You're so screwed, Manglemore. You're screwed. Big mistake. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? No, get back. Oh, yeah, that's not good. I don't need that, really. Got a good one. Oh, snap. Dude, look at all these chest plates. Golden health, 9 vitality. Cool. Very cool. The world's trying to give me stuff. Because it knows that I already made better and it's jealous of my abilities. I'm better than you, world. I did it myself. There's nothing you can do to stop me. Good lord, I get into this game. I just want to freaking click fest. Freaking, I'm the DJ of click techno. Okay, what else we got? Double click step. Haha, that's pretty good. Do you wish to travel to the entrance of the current dungeon? No, of course not. What? Why would I go to the entrance? I don't understand. Oh, no I don't. Why would I ever do such a silly thing? I'm not done killing everyone in the world yet. Oh, man. This little Powerpuff Girl soul just poured out of his bones like a freaking... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good. Good. Oh. Uh-oh. What's it do? Is it good? Give it to me. Okay. Oh, skill. Oh, perfect. Beautiful. Provoke. Taunt nearby enemies and generate some wrath also at the same time. That's good. I like it. Sounds good. Let's do it then. Whoa. Shield shatters. What? That is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Roar! You block with hardened senses, you chance to explode! Electrify! Lightning! I am the hand of God. Uh-oh. Okay, whoop. Town portal. Okay. I don't know what I'm supposed to do there. Town portal to return to New Tristram. Town portal meaning where at again? Is it? Da Thugger? Da Thugger? Yeah. That's some frightening lightning. I made you frightening. Get out the coffin. Okay. Am I good? Am I friggin' ready to go? Exit the gift shop? I'm gonna exit this gift shop. I'm not paying for nothing. Talk to... return to New Tristram. Dude, that's not a portal, man. Oh, wait, what? Town portal.
I need to go back.
Dude, awesome. You just push T now. Sorry, dog. You're stuck there. Oh, there we go. All right, have a chat. Hey, Drake.
Found the crown. Truth be told, I didn't think you'd make it back alive.
How dare you?
It needs repair. Should be no problem.
All right. Take your time.
Good to work again.
Take your freaking time, dude. I got nothing to do.
New as the day it was placed upon the Black King's head.
I
Need
doubt
something
that.
More than making spades occupy my mind. I want my life to mean something.
Then join my crusade.
Which one's
The
better?
work is hard, the rewards are few, and you'll likely die.
And awful.
What? Dude, hold on. This one, what? I don't understand. Reduces resource costs. Hold on. Why is this worth so much more? +4 strength and then fortify poison. And I don't get it. Resource costs. I don't. Oh, 2 life after each kill. It's weird. I don't know, dude. Whatever. Just put it on. Who cares? Magic dagger. Nobody cares. Get out of my life. Adventuring Shiv of Wounding. Ooh. Where'd it go? Did you give me that shiv, dude? You better have given me that shiv. I'm gonna shiv you if you just made it disappear into the freaking nether. You suck. You suck. Okay, 4 magic properties. I don't have enough for freaking to do it. Ah, balls. Okay, get out of here. Forge weapons. Battle flail. Ooh. All right. I need to learn how to use these little booklets. Account bound. You only use it as the... Who's the freaking mystic, huh? Deckard?
I have the crown.
At last. With it, you can unlock the sealed door in the room where you rescued me and enter the royal crypts. When you find the Skeleton King, place the crown atop his head and destroy him.
No problem.
Helps me find the fallen star. I will put an end to him.
Just slapping him in the head. He's slapping Deckard Cain in the head. Just, why not? Why not just do it? Might as well. Alright, where's the mystic at?
Every scholar of demonic
I need the mystic right now. Where are you at? He's kind of mystical looking.
Gods who abandoned us come to your aid.
The gods who abandoned us. The stupid gods who abandoned us. They're listening right now. I'm just making sure they get that it sucks that they did that. Okay, let's go. Why is this freaking mystic at, dude? Nah, let's go in here. The slaughtered baby cow inn. To where the slaughtered baby cows stay the night.
You know what would take everyone's mind?
On the bread, on the hamburger buns. That's so sad. That's so sad. Convincing a cow to stay at an inn. Oh, great, Argus. Wow, I believe you. I believe you. In kind of a not way. Really. Alright, I'm done. I'm gonna pause it. Thanks for watching! Bless your noodle soup. If you sneeze during this video, bless you. I will see you tomorrow. Boop!